Alright, Thursday's highlight video from GreatStockPicks.com, our live trading chat room. This is Lennar Home Builder, L-E-N. Again, you know we like these big sell-offs here. Whenever we have this kind of shape on a chart, it becomes very interesting to me, and I like to try to fade them. And actually called LEN for our chat room was projecting the chart live and everything right there over that candle at 1976. Worst case stop, I said right below this candle at, well, 12 cents below. So from 1976, we caught this 2 minutes from the low of the day. 1976, it did make it up to 20.31. So a 55 cent move from here to here in our favor on 12 cents a share risk. Always happy with that. That was one today. Let's get the drawing tool off here. And this is MDR. When we saw this sell-off, you know, certain stocks handle or act different ways, and there's certain setups we teach. I can't go into them here now, but this is a scenario where you have a big sell-off, and I'm not looking to go long for reasons that we teach in our chat room. But on MDR, you had this big push down and climbed up a little bit, and I actually said I want to go short if it breaks this candle's low. Worst case stop right here. So the short call was 20.35, and the stop was only 9 cents above. And from 20.35, you can see what happened. Started to sell off and then just accelerated. And we got a nice sell off there from 20.35 down to 19.88. I don't know, over about 30 minutes time. And the stop was only 9 cents away. And you can tell you never had to worry about the stop. I mean, it sold off right away. And one other one I want to show you from today. This is another one that I was projecting at the time. CRUS, these are 5-minute candles. I just saw how strong it was early. And you look at the daily, it was over 19 nicely on big volume this morning. I looked at the daily chart and said, wow, that's kind of a breakout over that 19 resistance. So going back to the chart, using a new method, I don't want to use the word perfected because we're always working on it, but it's a work in progress right now. But anyway, using this method we called CRUS. I had to get in this one long after that breakout on the daily chart. Somewhere around here at 1949, and the worst case stop 9 cents below that didn't get hit. Okay, and from 1949, this thing made it to 21.44. So what is that? Almost $2 on 9 cents risk that never got stopped out. And actually had a guy today type in the chat room, all out CRUS made $4,000. So hats off to him. His name's Mike. He's in our chat room. So big day for him today. So anyway, there's an example of one that, again, like a strong move that I didn't try to fade and go short, you know, because the daily chart suggested, hey, this thing's breaking out. So anyway, we're working on a bunch of different strategies, but having a lot of fun in the chat room. I'm going to stop babbling. Maybe if I can find a free pick, I'll send it out tonight. If not, I'll owe you 2 next week. Hopefully some of you got YRCW, the chart we sent out last week. We said to stick with that one and watch for that breakout. And a few days ago we got it. So I can show you that chart real quick before I get off here. Remember YRCW looked like this when we sent it out. And I said over this break, over this base here, 390. Could get you through 410, and it definitely happened there. 386 was our actual entry in the chat room a couple days ago, and it closed at 424, and then the next day gapped up and hit almost 460. So a real nice move there, and hopefully some of you got that. That was on our free pick, and if you look back on YouTube, you can see the video where we called the idea and said to stay with it. So it's out there for everyone to see. And if I can't find something to send out as a free pick tonight, we'll send you out 2 next week. And tomorrow night there'll be a highlight video from our calls from tomorrow's trading session. So have a great night, and we'll talk to you later.